What's up, Broadcast Nation? Today we're going to be working on Ahoff's engine again.
This time we're going to be putting the oil pan and the oil pickup tube on it. It is a special oil pan from LOJ Conversions. It is specifically designed to accommodate the 300ZX steering rack and everything. So it makes an LS fit in there nice and good. So let's get to getting. Alright, so I'm going to put the oil pickup tube on here. I already installed the windage tray. If I would have known I needed it, I would have had it on there already. But this is actually a shortened one. Normally it comes all the way out, but I bought a shorter one just because that's what they offered. I kind of threw the original one away, not realizing I needed it because I had to use the one that was actually on this motor on the motor that's in the dumpster fire. So the one that I had to switch out for, I didn't care to keep. But anyway, we got our O-ring on there. Gonna go ahead and give it a good amount of oil. Just get it all lubed up. And then this, I left one nut off of here because that's where this is gonna go. So you're gonna wanna fit that down in there. And you wanna try to get it seated in without using the bolt here to push it in. Just get it worked down in there the best you can. And you're going to take your bolt. Thread it down in there. And we're gonna have to torque that bolt down. So we got 106 inch-pounds we gotta put down on this. Did that go already?
I think so. No? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me double check it. Probably this Harbor Freight piece of shit. Then we can go ahead and we can torque this bolt back down, or this nut back down to 28. Oh, well, now we see a problem. Alright, so we torqued this last nut here, you know, once this was on, to a good old 28 foot-pounds. Not really. I mean, it's supposed to be, but you know, it's kind of inaccessible to socket. So good and tight is good enough. So now let's test fit the pan on here and see how everything looks.
Here comes the beauty. This is honestly one of my favorite oil pans I've seen. They paid so much attention to detail and like their logo and everything on the side of it. And nobody's gonna see it, so that's how you know they're proud of themselves. Look at that beauty. Look, Andrew found a little flappy dude. Nice.
It's got race bafflings in it.
Ooh.
So this will be really nice for doing road course like I anticipate.
Now for the test fit.
Sure that goes down
Hell yeah.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, well, I guess we'll get the gasket on there and get her on. Alright, so we're going to be putting the oil pan gasket on. Now, these spots here where the block meets up with the front and rear cover, you got to put some RTV on it to make sure it seals. Now, I'm actually going to go take a step further, and I'm going to put some all the way across the front cover and the back cover. I'm trying not to use a lot. I just know these are the problem areas. Okay, so I got my RTV on the corners, and I went a little extra and put it across the whole front and rear cover. Might be a little much, but you know, it's alright. And we'll go ahead, line this gasket up. Nice thing about these, they can only go one way. Alright, so here she goes. Alright. And then they give you supplied bolts. Just going to be putting those in all the way around. Alright. Got 18 foot-pounds of torque on all of the bolts except for the two small back ones. That still has RTV on it. So I'm going to work this around in kind of a I don't know, weird order, just to try to make everything even. So you're going to see me jump around quite a bit. I'm not going to go all the way yet, but I'm going to go as much as I can. This oil pan's a little bit of a pain in the ass. Alright, I got them all ran down there so they're snug. Now I'm going to go ahead, go through on the bigger ones and do 18 foot-pounds. I'm going to do 106 inch-pounds on the two back ones. Thought I had them snugged. Alright, well there you have it. Sorry we didn't go through and show me completely torquing these down. Honestly, some of these are kind of a bitch to get to. So yeah, like those. Those got the good old guessing. And then these suckers. These are so low of torque that that's the reason I put RTV all the way across it, just in case. But there you have it. Nice, pretty fingered up oil pan. Well, until next time, keep off those jack stands and stay broke, folks. On behalf of all of us here at Broke Ass Motorsports Ohio, we'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our video, please let us know by leaving a like or comment on our video. If you're new and would like to stay up to date on things, please subscribe or follow us on our social medias. The links to those will be in the description down below.